find a good 808 sample, you may find it difficult to keep the length of the sound while changing the pitch. Of course you can turn on warp mode, but listen how bad it sounds like. So warp mode maintains the length of the sample, which is exactly what we want, but it's not the cleanest method. But there is a good way to do that, and it's not only applying to 808s, but to every sound. So let's click the loop button, also make sure you use the classic mode here. Now between these two locators we have our loop section, which means if you play the sound, it will play this part over and over again. Now we have to set these locators to start at zero crossing. So zero crossing is that moment when the waveform is crossing this middle line here, which in theory this is a zero voltage line. And if you won't do that, sampler will keep playing these clicks instead of smooth transitioning between the end of the loop and the beginning. And also remember to set locators where the waveform is pretty straight, so the sample is moving between almost the same volume, also eliminating clicks, which would be audible if you go from the low volume to high. Now we are gonna make our 808 fades with time using this ADSR envelope.